easy way for kids to catch fish. If you've ever taken your kids fishing, you know how hard it is for them to cast with an ordinary fishing pole. The rocket fishing rod makes fishing fun and easy. You just cock it and shoot it. The fishing lure shoots out really far, right to where the fish are. The rocket fishing rod is a real fishing rod that catches real fish. Rocket fishing rod. Here's the secret. When the bobber hits the water, it opens up and the hook falls to the right depth to where the fish are. Then you just reel them in. Rocket fishing rod. Fishing can bring the whole family together, moms and dads. With the rocket fishing rod, you can spend more time fishing with your kids and less time messing with tangled lines. With the rocket fishing rod, it's a blast to cast and reel in those fish. Rocket fishing rod. Have fun practice shooting your rocket fishing rod in your own backyard. Practice your aim so you can shoot right to where the fish are. Catching fish is fun and easy. Grandparents, taking your grandkids fishing is so much fun with the rocket fishing rod. With the rocket fishing rod, even younger kids can fish all by themselves. Both boys and girls love the rocket fishing rod. Over 500,000 have already been sold. Now you can get your rocket fishing rod for $39.99 plus processing.
Wallet cases or case pouches that leave your credit cards and cash exposed. What if I told you it's possible for your cards and cash to be completely secure while having the industry's best phone protection? Let's face it, dropping your phone is inevitable in the fast-paced world we live in. Whether you're running around, trying to carry too much, or the phone just simply slips out of your hand, why not be completely covered? For this very reason, vCommute offers MetLab certified military-grade drop protection. The Met Transit Drop Test is a rigorous test where an iPhone 7 and 7 Plus were each dropped 26 times on each corner, face, and edge of the phones. The phones were dropped from 4 feet high onto 2-inch thick plywood over concrete floor. The vCommute passed all tests, meaning the phones were undamaged and the vCommute itself showed no signs of damage or deterioration. All features of the phones were thoroughly tested, and both phones proved to be 100% functional. Still not convinced? Well, we weren't either, so we conducted our own test. We dropped an iPhone X 5 times from over 4 feet high onto asphalt. Not only did it survive, the iPhone X was in perfect condition and fully functional, so you can have peace of mind thanks to vCommute's exceptional protection. You will also more than likely make several transactions a day at the drive-thru, at the store, online, or the coffee shop. The vCommute gives you quick and easy access to cash, credit cards, and IDs, which are perfectly secure and out of sight, thanks to its discreet magnetic flap. The same magnetic flap, you have a multi-angled stand, which allows you to enjoy Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, and YouTube hands-free, all while maintaining a slim and sleek profile that easily fits into any pocket or purse. The vCommute is also compatible with magnetic car mounts, so there's no need for any metal plates on your phone or in your case. The vCommute's patented design gives you 3 useful features, all in one phone case. This is vCommute.
Thousand years. Multiple horses suffer or die from hoof and leg issues. Imagine trying to fit an iron plate on the sole of your sports shoe. How does that feel? Horses have the same bones, tendons, and ligaments as we have. Introducing Megasis Horse Runners, the world's first clippable runners for horses. Goodbye nails. Goodbye iron horseshoes. Hello Megasis Horse Runners. Hello comfort. Poetry in motion just got easy with Megasis Horse Runners. The first shock-absorbing horse protection that allows for natural hoof movements on all types of terrain. Here are just some advantages to Megasis Horse Runners. Our patent-pending high-performance Mega Lock fastener system makes it simple for a horse owner and trainer to fit and take off. It's a horse lover's dream. A state-of-the-art stabilizer enhances and adjusts the stability of the shoe to the horse's needs. Megasis Horse Runners really has it all. The Mega Pro tape is reflective at night and keeps the Mega Lock tape clean. Fitting the Megasis Horse Runners includes 4 quick steps. 1. Mark the position of the tape on the hoof and the hoof shape on the Megasis. 2. Stick Mega Lock tapes on the marked hoof. 3. Cut the Megasis outside the marking using a jigsaw or nipper. And 4. Put the Megasis on and clip the side clips to the Mega Lock tape. Wow, that was simple. Be part